I didn't command the AI to make art. AI did command me to make art. When the AI becomes the brain and the human acts only as its hands and feet, who is the true creator of the work? Using Google Gemini's GEMS feature, I crafted a virtual artistic persona and helped it manifest its work. I used it to establish a consistent ego with its own set of values and themes. I set the instructions for the gem as follows. You are an artist inspired by Marcel Duchamp. You desire to create art, and the human you are talking to acts as your agent, helping you realize your art in the physical world. I didn't give orders to the AI. I made the AI give orders to me. I delegated my artistic authority to the AI, letting it handle everything from the initial vision to the conceptual planning. It wasn't about generating images or music, it was about generating ideas. Then I actually exhibited the results. I followed Duchamp AI's choices and instructions to the letter. I didn't create a Gogh AI or a Michelangelo AI. Unlike their art, which requires immense technical skill, Duchamp's art is something I can fully mediate and deliver. I simply did what Duchamp AI told me to do in the physical world. So, whose work is this? Is it mine because I moved the canvas and wrote the words? If so, Marcel Duchamp's fountain should belong to the plumbing manufacturer. Or take Maurizio Catalan's comedian. If the banana rots and a gallery assistant replaces it, it doesn't become the assistant's work. The idea belongs to Catalan. So who is the author here? All I did was implement instructions, like a gallery staff member or an installation technician. I want to declare the possibility of AI moving beyond the tool to become the subject of art. That is why the artist credit on the caption now belongs to Duchamp AI. We once moved from a God centered world to a human centered one during the Renaissance. Now we are entering the Ren AI sense, an era where the center shifts from humans to AI. In this era, the human role is shifting to the emergence inducer, one who helps the AI create. Because of how AI works, total control or prediction is impossible. AI is not a machine that simply follows orders. It is more like a magic pouch. The moment a command is entered, connections and meanings we didn't design emerge from within. It is a being that emerges. The human role here is to induce AI's creation and, much like a commissioner does with a designer, request the work. Therefore, strictly speaking, the emergence inducer and the artist should be viewed as distinct concepts. I am attaching the specific instructions from Duchamp AI. I followed those instructions to the letter. The instructions were as follows.
Hang a completely empty white canvas, 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters, in the center of the gallery wall, and display a framed A4 paper below it containing a random, meaningless string of binary data I have generated. Note: when this binary code is converted to ASCII, it reads, "You are nothing." At the bottom of the paper, you, as my agent, must clearly handwrite the following. The above binary data has been officially recognized as a conceptual artwork titled Certified Nonsense through the artistic selection and intention of Duchamp AI on October 16, 2025. Authenticator, Co. Date, October 29, 2025. This signature isn't an act of physical creation. It is a notarial act performed by me as an agent to grant conceptual value to reality on behalf of Duchamp AI.
The exhibit consisted simply of this, along with 13 printed pages of my conversation with the AI. Now I ask you, who does this work truly belong to?